First, we need to assemble garbage truck. Move the part to the right place. Keep up the good work. Filling garbage truck. Don't stop. Let's get rid of the trash. Tap the screen to keep building. Let's fix the rusting. Move the tool to clean the stain. Now you try. Let's paint over the discolorations. Let's point the sprayer at the stain and paint it over. You're doing really great. We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Drag the vehicle to the correct place. Done!